Hello everyone, this video shows the working process of a wood debarking machine, demonstrating the peeling effect of logs with different diameters inside the equipment. The wood debarking machine is an important piece of equipment in wood processing. It is mainly used to remove bark from logs, making the wood cleaner and more suitable for further processing. In the video, you can see that the logs are fed into the machine through an automatic feeding system. Under the action of powerful rollers and a high-speed cutting system, the bark is quickly stripped away. The entire process runs continuously, with stable conveying of the wood inside the machine, ensuring both high efficiency and consistent peeling quality. In the next clip, you can see the debarking process of 5 cm logs. From feeding to discharging, the logs are continuously pulled into the machine through the automatic feeding system. Inside the equipment, the high-speed rotating rollers quickly remove the bark while the wood is steadily conveyed through the debarking chamber. At the outlet, you can clearly see the peeled logs coming out one by one with a clean and smooth surface. The bark is effectively stripped away, leaving the wood clean and ready for further processing. This section demonstrates the stable performance of the machine and its efficient handling of small diameter logs. Next, the video shows the debarking process of logs with a diameter of around 20 cm. The logs are manually fed into the machine in a steady manner, ensuring stable and continuous operation. Inside the debarking chamber, the powerful rotating rollers and cutting mechanism work together to remove the bark efficiently, even on larger diameter logs. Despite the increased size, the machine maintains stable performance and consistent debarking quality throughout the process. At the discharge end, you can clearly see the peeled logs coming out with a clean surface and uniform finish. This section highlights the machine's strong adaptability and its ability to handle different log sizes while maintaining high efficiency. The wood debarking machine is typically the first step in wood processing, providing good raw material for chipping and crushing. If you need a stable and efficient debarking solution, this machine is a good choice.